In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert and swap USDT to Solana on Phantom wallet. So if this video helps you, be sure to like and subscribe. The previous channel in case you want to do videos just like this. And if you didn't understand something, be sure to comment and I will reply, or if you need some help with it, it doesn't matter, just comment. And yeah, what you simply do is at the middle of your Phantom wallet, click on bottom here, click on this transfer thingy. Then where it's typed UPay, click on this. And then type in USDT. I don't currently have it, so it's not going to show up. But then, and here you receive, click on it, and then make sure it's here. And then type in the amount you want to convert to Solana. So let's say 25% of your whole money, or you can type in how many dollars, how many USDT you pay. I paid this. And then you receive. Then what you need to do is click on transfer and then confirm, and that's it. I hope this video helps you. Have a great day. Like and subscribe.